Hi, today I want to show you guys how to remove the door panel of our 19 Jetta. First off, I'm going to go over the tools that are necessary. It is really not a lot. First off, however you want to do this, we need a long, skinny T30. Something to pop the panel off. Another panel popper. A 10mm box end. And then a screwdriver. And I forgot one more thing. I'm going to grab it real quick. Put it back in the door panel. Okay, let's get started. First, we start off by removing this piece here. You start from this end and pop out towards you. So we have one side started. I'm gonna go underneath and try to get the other part started. And I don't want to break anything. So there's a clip here, and then it actually slides in this way. That's why it has you start from the back end and then pull out. So once we have off this, there is a T30 in here. And then there's also a T30 down in this hole. So we're gonna continue to take these out. So here's one. Second one. I'm going to take the magnet and okay, not magnetic. This will probably fall in the door pocket and we'll listen for it. The second spot is a little bit hidden as a little turn screw underneath here. So it's inside this hole. Can you see it? Okay. And you're going to turn it from facing this way to up and down. So you can see now, I'm gonna turn it. It's up and down so you can pull the door panel. So there's two of the little guys here. So I'm gonna turn that side too. There we go. Starting to pop. So once when you go, and then the last bit, once when you have the bottom freed up, you're gonna pull upwards because of this clip here. So that little screw just dropped behind. So once when we have this off here, there's the Bowden cable. So how you take that off is you pull towards you and then you unclip the front. So it clips in and then okay, so you're gonna wedge the door panel so you don't pull on the wiring. Press in that guy there and remove the plug from the door control module. And that is it. So to go back on, I'm gonna show you how to plug that in and how to plug this in. But first, these guys here we need to transfer over to the door panel. So in order to get these, you wanna be in the second groove here and get some leverage from the door frame itself. So pop that out. Pop that out. And then you can see on the door panel itself where we're missing the spots. So one there. Okay. And to go back on, I'm just going to show you how to put this cable in real quick. So what we're going to do here is tuck in the front and then just plug in and then verify, yes, it's plugged in properly. And then this guy too, push in and make sure. And then you're going to tuck the front in here. Tuck it in. Good. And then just put your screws back in, turn these to the side, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.